Hi, this is Monica of Knitted Wishes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work the left lifted increase on the purl side. With your right hand needle and the yarn in front of you, pick up the stitch below the first stitch on your left hand needle. Now you need to pick up that little loop and place it on the left hand needle from back to front. Now purl it. Slip it off the left hand needle and purl the following stitch. Now let's try this one more time. Yarn is in front of you. With your right hand needle, pick up that stitch. Now bring it to the back and place it on the left hand needle and purl it. Now purl the following stitch, and this is what it looks like from the front. Here is one, and here is the other one.